Inbox clutter makes it way too easy to miss important attachments, invoices, contracts, you name it. In this 5-minute video, I'll show you how to automate the process and save your new email attachment straight to Google Drive. It's simple, it works, and it will save you more time than it will take to set up. Let's just start automating. Before we dive in, there's 3 things we'll need. A Gmail account, that's where we'll be pulling the email attachments. A Google Drive, that's where we'll be uploading it to. And a make.com account, and that's where we're going to be automating everything. Let's get into it. So first we're going to sign in to Make, create scenario. And the first thing we need to do is create a watch function for Gmail. Right here, your connection, this is where you'll be adding your connection. So I already have mine, so I'll be continuing with the process. But if not, just click add and it'll walk you through the Google authentication. The next thing is choosing a folder to pull from. I'm just going to pick the inbox because that's where I want this watch function to look at. I am then going to pick only unread emails. For testing wise, you can do all emails just to test. And then once you refine your process, you can go to only unread emails. And then we're going to mark email messages as read when fetched. So basically when it watches, it's going to mark it read so that it doesn't try to download the same file from the same email again. And we're going to keep the maximum number as 1. Also, in the advanced settings, we're going to put invoice. So only subjects that contain invoice will go through a process of uploading to Drive. For right now, we're going to keep it like this. The next thing we're going to need is an iterator. And we're going to be iterating the attachments. And the last module we'll need is the upload to Google Drive. And same concept as, if you don't have a connection, you'll just be adding it. And so right now I'm choosing the folder that I want the file to be uploaded into. That's fine, Google Drive. And then I previously created a invoices just to keep everything organized. Everything looks good except for this. So we're going to put a new file name. So for me, the things that matter are the subject, because usually they might have like a confirmation number, who was sending it, and then the date. And that should pretty much keep Google Drive unique enough. So first thing is subject, then email address, date, and save. So now I'll be going through the process of sending myself an email just to show the process. Okay, so let's just make sure we're going to put our intervals to 1. And we're going to send this email real quick. And what we'll do is we'll put 2 attachments just for fun. We're going to send that. And we're also going to run our automation. So as you can see, what happened is it found the email. It went through the iterator, and then it's now uploaded to Google Drives. So we'll go look at our Google Drives. And as you can see, there are 2 here. Also, just to show the email that we made. So this is the testing, the invoice 3. And these are also the 2 attachments. This kind of automation might seem small, but it saves time every single day. I use the same setup to automatically organize invoices, contracts, and any file clients send to me. And once it's running, I don't have to think about it again. This is the core setup, but there's a lot more you can do from here, like tagging automatically, renaming them by client, or by triggering follow-up emails. It's all possible with Make. If you want help building it out, just drop a comment below or book a free strategy call with me. The link is in the description. And as always, just start automating.